And Audrina here. The CDC has approved the updated COVID-19 vaccine for everyone 6 months and older.
And that means the new shots will be ready at pharmacies and some doctors' offices as soon as this week, so it's coming pretty quickly.
Yeah, and so when we have questions about important things like this, we bring in our good friend of the stream, Dr. Kat Wallace, epidemiologist at the University of Illinois at Chicago, to break down the specifics of this updated vaccine.
Yes, Dr. Kat, good to be with you. Thanks for always helping us break things down. We love being able to bring you in here. So typically we've seen a slower rollout, approving high-risk groups first and then kind of moving down the chain. Now that this is virtually available for everyone at the same time, how do you think that's going to speed things up and increase just access?
So hopefully that's the idea, right? In the past, we've had these kind of staggered or tiered rollouts for high-risk people first, and then we kind of moved down. And what that really caused was sort of public confusion and bewilderment over who's eligible and if it's their time. But now it's been much more simplified. We have one time a year, and right now it's just for everybody 6 months and older. So hopefully that will eliminate some of the confusion where everybody's just eligible now and can just go get it.
So, like, quick tangential question, yes or no? Like, available today? I could get it tomorrow?
So I checked last night, and the first appointments I could get here in Chicago for the for both Walgreens and CVS were Monday. Okay. And I don't know if that means they're not going to get it till Monday or they just didn't have their system updated. But it should be definitely by Monday, but you could probably call over the weekend.
Okay, just logistic there. So another change is that we're transitioning away from boosters, and instead there will be a vaccine, a once-a-year deal, similar to a flu shot. It could feel to some people like there are a lot of vaccines. What do we know about, the short-term and long-term safety of mRNA vaccines? I feel like, these things, in essence, it's not the right word. They're poisons. They're put in your body to kill things or ward things off, right? I feel like I've put a lot of that in my body in the past 2 years. What do we know about these things long term?
So that's a great question. I think it's a common misconception that there's toxins or poisons in vaccines. And actually, the short-term side effects that you get after a vaccination, like pain at the injection site, fatigue, or a headache, is really not due to ingredients in the vaccine. It's due to your own body building immunity to whatever it is you're getting vaccinated for. So your body's being taught a lesson by the vaccine on how to fight this virus or this new updated variant of a virus or a bacteria. So this is your own body doing that, not anything like a toxic ingredient in the vaccine. Right. And I think that's a very common misconception. And like this updated COVID vaccine is teaching your body about this new variant because you've been inoculated against the old one. So it's just a lesson that you're being taught. So it's your body producing these reactions. Right. In terms of long-term effects, we don't really actually see long-term effects from vaccines because vaccines kind of come into your body, do their job, and they leave. And the mRNA vaccines have been actually in development for about 20 years. And the problem with those in the past is that they couldn't get it to stick around long enough to do its job. And this COVID vaccine was the first time they were actually successful at creating a stable environment for the vaccine to last enough to do its job in your body. So they really don't stick around very long. So long-term effects from vaccines are pretty much not a thing.
So the director of the CDC said something. This vaccine is, she called it reformulated to fight against the new variants. Basically, what does that mean?
Yeah, so just like I was saying, so your body is used to the original virus or any other booster doses that you got. So the last one previous to this was like BA4 or BA5 was the strain. And so the virus has mutated since then. And this new vaccine is just a dose of XBB.1.5, a more updated version of the virus. So the ones that we've been vaccinated against in the past are not circulating anymore. So this just updates your protection.
So this is the first fall where we have really a vaccine trifecta, if you will.